We're at Detroit City Airport.
Flight 377 Lima City Tower, runway 33 at hotel. Fly the runway heading. You're cleared for takeoff.
Out of maintenance. Had to have a tire changed. Did some brake work, and in the course of debugging that cylinder head, or the not cylinder head gauge, the exhaust gas temperature gauge, found that the exhaust manifold on cylinder 4 on the left engine had fallen off. Ew. So got that fixed, and indeed the left engine actually is quite a bit quieter now. That could have been a big deal. I got lucky there, I guess. Got to pick up the weather. I had a taxi. I just took occupancy.
Approach runway 33 in use. Advise on initial.
I took occupancy of a hangar on the other side, but came over here to get some fuel, so we're all loaded up.
City Tower, estimation kilo, time 22530.
Kilo.
Wind to 300 at 6, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 29er, dew point 15, altimeter 3001. Flight of 77 Lima, contact runway 33 in use. You guys have a safe flight. Advise on initial contact, information kilo.
Detroit City ground, Twin Comanche 7828 Yankee is sitting on the F flight ramp. We have information kilo. We're VFR. Over to the Madison area, 6 Papa 3. If I'd like to pick up flight following, if you could arrange that. And we're ready to taxi.
Twin Comanche 28 Yankee, no problem at all. You said destination 6 Papa 3. What altitude do you want to go at?
Yeah, let's try 8,000. Let's try initial altitude 6,500, and that's initial heading is 289er for 28 Yankee.
Twin Comanche 28 Yankee, got it all. Thank you. And I'll have a squawk code for you in about 30 seconds. If you want, you can taxi straight ahead via Alpha and Hotel and hold short of 33 there.
All right, Alpha. All right, Hotel to short of 33 to Yankee.
Twin Comanche 28 Yankee, what's the type designator for a Twin Comanche? What is that?
It's a PA 30 slant Golf.
PA 30, okay, cool, thanks. The 44 City Tower, good afternoon to you, sir. Runway 33, you're clear to land. Wind right down the runway, 330 at 5.
All right, meanwhile, while we're waiting, I'm going to set my bug to 33. Probably going to want me to fly out runway heading. There's somebody coming in, but boy, I don't see him.
Twin Comanche 28 Yankee, you'll reach Metro for advisories or flight following on 134.3 once I get you airborne and on course. And your squawk code for your flight is 4160.
All right, Twin Comanche will be talking to Detroit Approach 134.3, squawk 4160.
Twin Comanche 28 Yankee, read back correct.
All right, Detroit City Tower 28 Yankee is holding short 33. I see that traffic coming in, holding short on Hotel.
Twin Comanche 28 Yankee, roger, sir, thanks.
All right, let's do our, oh yeah, we gotta get our recording going. All right, checklist. Before takeoff, I am holding short, am I not? All right, flaps, no flaps, trim has been set. Oh, let's get those fuel pumps on right now. And, ooh. dial in 134.3.
Split 404, City Tower. You can turn right at your discretion, another right on Alpha, and taxi to aft flight with me.
Oh,
Echo 44 to the end and to aft flight with you. Thank you.
No problem.
Detroit City Tower, Skyhawk 572, Romeo Juliet, 7 miles to the west, inbound, full stop with Kilo.
Skyhawk 572, Romeo Juliet City Tower, good afternoon to you, sir. Make left traffic, runway 33, and just report when you're midfield for me.
Left traffic 33, report midfield, 572, Romeo Juliet.
Thank you. Twin Comanche 2A Yankee, City Tower, can fly the runway, actually, I'll tell you what, runway 33 at hotel, clear for takeoff, and you can proceed on course.
all right, 33 at a hotel, cleared for takeoff, and proceed on course, 28 Yankee. Oh man, get the air conditioning fixed in this thing. All right, well, this will be our, it's not like the engine was like major maintenance, but you know, anytime somebody touches the engine, I guess it's probably a big thing. All right, lined up. All right, now I gotta be. Airspeed's live. Man, she just flies like she always likes to fly. Let's get some altitude. And on course.
Here we go.
Cessna 2 Romeo Juliet, just off the departure in about a half mile and headed northwestbound, climbing out of 1,600 feet for higher is a Twin Comanche.
Looking for traffic here over Juliet.
Perfect. And Twin Comanche 28 Yankee, traffic's a Cessna at your, we'll see, your 10 o'clock, about a mile, entering the left downwind for runway 33 at 1,700 feet.
Twin Comanche has the Cessna in sight.
Twin Comanche 28 Yankee, outstanding, sir, thank you. And I have no other observed traffic for you. Frequency changes approved. You have a good flight.
All right, thanks a lot for your help. Frequency over to Detroit approach. 28 Yankee, have a good evening.
Thank you, you too.
Detroit City Juliet is midfield, and we did see the traffic.
Cessna 2 Romeo Juliet, outstanding, thank you. Runway 33, you're clear to land. Wind 330 at 5.
Clear to land, runway 33 to over Juliet.
Detroit departure, Twin Comanche 7828 Yankee is climbing through 2004 off of Detroit City Airport.
Top one up, Charlie, Detroit departure, ready to contact, maintain 5,000, fly heading 230. Twin Comanche 7828 Yankee, Detroit departure, ident.
Identing, 28 Yankee.
November 28 Yankee, your radar contacts, maintain VFR outside Detroit, class Bravo airspace.
VFR outside of Bravo, 28 Yankee.